Let me show you how you can turn on voice search on your iPad. So there are two parts of this. The first one is when you go to the settings, and in the left panel you find Apple Intelligence and Siri, or just Siri. And you can use the voice assistant to look for specific things. Just make sure it is turned on, right? So you don't even have to have the Apple Intelligence enabled, but you need to have Siri enabled. So as you can see, talk to Siri, make sure that you press the top button for Siri, that it is turned on, and then now whatever you want to search for, you can always hold down on the button like this and look for specific things. So you can say open weather, right? And as long as it understands you, it will be able to get the job done, and you can use it to voice search around your iPad. However, if you mean specifically within some apps or within Google, right, you can do it also this way. So you go to Safari like this, type in google.com, and if you go to the search, you can see that we have the keyboard which shows up, and this applies to any place where you have the keyboard available. As you can see on the keyboard, I have the microphone icon, and I can also tap it and kind of like dictate into the search what I want to look up. So weather in New York City. And if you mean that, just give it a try to see if your keyboard doesn't already contain the microphone icon for you to perform exactly this. But if you don't see it, or if it doesn't work, then make sure to enable dictation in the settings. So you go to settings app of your iPad, click general, and find in here the keyboard. And in here, you want to make sure that dictation is enabled. So as you can see, enable dictation is turned on, and also some other things like auto punctuation, but this is the main thing. And as long as you have the dictation enabled, then whatever you do, you'll have the ability to click on a microphone on your keyboard and literally say what you are looking for, and it will type it into the search bar. So these are the two most common ways how people search for stuff or using voice search on the iPad. Let me know what you think about it below in the comments. Let me know if it worked for you. Hit the thumbs up if it did, and I'll see you in the next uploads.